Hello everybody! Do you want to learn Greek fast and easily? Then join my class. My name is Erietta Zimioglou. I am 33 years old. I live in Greece and especially in a small city called Drama. I am a Greek teacher and I have graduated Democritus University of Thrace in the Department of Greek Literature. I teach since 2015 and especially I teach modern Greek, ancient Greek, Latin, history and literature. I help children pass their exams and enter universities, embracing their goals and needs, and also adults to meet the Greek language and find a job in Greece afterwards. Even though Greek language is considered to be a very demanding one, I can reassure you that joining my class will be a success for you. Thank you for your time and I am waiting you in my class.